In this video, we will try to explain in simple words what exactly is blockchain. Let's take a look at this simple example. You and your friend often eat out together. After one meal, you owe your friend some money. After another meal, your friend owes you money, and so on. Usually, you send money back to each other using online banking. You do this so frequently that keeping track of all these transactions and calculations gets overwhelming. So you decide to do the accounting by yourself. You took a simple book to write down all the transactions between you and your friend. This kind of book is called a ledger. Few weeks later, you decide that this ledger better be an Excel sheet online, so you can share it easily anytime with your friend. Since we're talking about money here, this ledger should be secured, so no one other than you and your friend will have access to it. While only you can edit it, after all, it's your book. You don't want anyone to mess with your numbers. Eventually, instead of an Excel sheet, to be more cool and trendy, you build a ledger app, which does all of that. Well, congrats! You just arrived by yourself at the simplest blockchain prototype for finance. Of course, in the real blockchain, the actual technology is a bit more complex than that. But at least now you can understand the general idea behind blockchain. But wait, what's so unique about this digital ledger which we call blockchain? Unless you live on a deserted island and have never used the internet, you've come across centralized systems. Centralized means that all the data of these systems and all the control is in one place under one authority. Many services which we use daily, such as Google, WhatsApp, Facebook, online banks, and many others, are part of a centralized internet. It's common to refer to it as Web 2.0. Think about it for a second. They all have a centralized authority as their core element, where all decisions are made and data is stored. Now, you've probably heard about data leaks that happen nearly every month. Somebody hacks a company and steals personal data. The reason why this happens is that the data is stored in one place. And this is one of the main cons of a centralized system. Other cons are cybersecurity risks, lack of privacy, and market monopoly. This is where decentralized system offers an alternative. Decentralized systems do not rely on a single authority and don't store its data in one place. It's actually stored on thousands of computers around the world beyond one-person control. It guarantees anonymity, transparency, and a high level of security within the digital space. Sounds cool, doesn't it? Yes, you guessed it right. Blockchain is actually a decentralized system. Think of it as a huge book that keeps lots of digital records, with identical copies of these records in different computers all around the world, not all kept in one central location. It could be files, transaction information, documents, basically anything that can be represented in a digital format. In addition to that, complex encryption algorithms make it impossible to edit the records on a blockchain. With that, blockchain technology solves many problems of centralized systems. Blockchain can be used in many areas of our society, such as public health, real estate, accounting, security, politics, and many more. However, as of today, blockchain is mostly used in the finance sector of cryptocurrencies. So next time when your friend wants to send you money, make sure he's using blockchain. After all, who needs centralized banks anymore?